Hey YouTube. I just thought I'd do a quick video of one of my geckos that is beautifully fired up at the moment. The Halloween face looks crazy when it's fired up. That is a sick gecko. I mean, you just tell it's a super Harlequin. The flame patterns go up to its back. The back pattern, man. So, I just want to show them the Halloween face. Really nice and fired up. I mean, look at her in the light. Got those oranges, those blacks. It's crazy. I can't wait to see the eggs out of her, so. Yeah, so I just started to do a quick little video on them. All the other geckos are good. Jacoby is in shed, as you can see by his dull color. So, yeah, just started to do a little quick video, so there you go. Peace.